Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare IntelliJ IDEA versus Visual Studio Code. We will dive into their core functionalities, examining what makes each tool unique for developers. We'll explore their strengths in different programming environments, helping you understand which one might be the better fit for your specific needs. From language support to performance, we'll cover the essential aspects to guide your decision-making process. IntelliJ IDEA shines with its comprehensive features, offering deep code understanding and powerful refactoring tools, especially for Java and JVM languages. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, provides a highly customizable experience with its rich extension ecosystem, supporting nearly every programming language imaginable. Both offer excellent debugging and version control integration, but their approaches differ significantly in scope and depth. When it comes to performance, IntelliJ IDEA, being a full-fledged IDE, generally demands more system resources, especially with larger projects. Visual Studio Code is celebrated for its lightweight nature, offering quick startup times and a smaller memory footprint, making it very responsive. However, the actual performance of both tools can greatly depend on the complexity of your project and the number of extensions you have installed. IntelliJ IDEA is the go-to choice for serious enterprise-level Java, Kotlin, or Scala development, offering unparalleled productivity for these ecosystems. Visual Studio Code excels in web development, scripting, and for developers working across multiple languages, thanks to its flexibility. Regarding cost, VS Code is entirely free and open source, while IntelliJ IDEA provides a free community edition and a feature-rich paid Ultimate edition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.